recording.
Hello, this is Juan with Texas Air Mechanical. I'm here at the Men's Warehouse 1401 in Louisiana. We're going to be talking about unit number 1. This is a 208, 230 three-phase unit. It looks like a 6-ton unit. It's a 2005. Let's take a look at the compressor area first. As you can see, this unit is about 10 years old. I'm missing a cap here in the compressor. I got some wires or some sensor that should have been completely bypassed, and so the unit needed to be cleaned up. But you know, it looks like this compressor was replaced here recently. They've repiped it somewhat. Found this unit frozen up just a minute ago. What it is, they got, I'll show you. They got first and second stage jumped. So what that means is that when first stage comes on, second stage comes out automatically, whether it needs it or not. That needs to be corrected. Some of this wire right here needs to be corrected. I'm gonna be putting some tape here just meanwhile, but we need a cap for that or something just in case of the rain or anything. This unit is like 10 years old. It sits on a curve adapter. Okay. It was frozen a minute ago. Probably because it was running.
You can still see the.
Yeah, it was running during
Nice.
the 2 stages of it. As I'm letting it defrost, I'm still checking things out. Here's the drain line. So you can see. This unit, the heating operation was turned off. Looking at the heat exchanger, let me point it right here. I see some questionable area. The heat exchanger right here, some rust that may be leaking by there. Another thing that I saw was also this unit has 2 14-inch supply duct. I don't think that's enough, but I'm gonna be checking the duct work here in a minute. Some more detail on the duct work, but that's only the 214 supply ducts. The heater operation is not working. I turned on the gas. That somebody has the gas turned off. So for checking it out purposes, I turned it back on. I checked everything. Looks like we probably have a problem with this inducer motor, combustion motor. Some heavy rust there, and possibly on the heat exchanger. That rust, I don't like the way that looks. As you can see, some components have been bypassed. Right here we have what is called a flame rollout sensor. Somebody bypassed it. That's a no-no, always a no-no. So the unit has been poorly maintained. Just overall, they could have done a better job. They don't have any refrigerant caps. That's to prevent from the refrigerant from leaking out, just like an air tire, shorter core valve. So I'm gonna be looking at the ductwork here shortly. But just as a reminder, if you guys end up replacing this unit outside of a carrier or outside of this model number without needing a curve, if you're going to need a curve adapter, you're not going to be able to go with the curve adapter once again. Okay, because you already have a curve adapter. So what we're going to have to do, or it has to be done, is basically we're going to have to curve the unit from the bottom. Once we curve the unit, then we can set the new rooftop unit in, and of course provide the correct supply and return air plenums for this unit. I believe the ductwork's on the sides, but like I said, I haven't checked it, so I'm going to be double checking all that here shortly. But again, this is Juan with Texas Air Mechanical on unit number 1, and we'll be looking at unit number 2 shortly.